more candlestick pattern which I have to talk about, which is known as three river bottom pattern. Now the issue with this pattern is this is one of the rare pattern, what I would say. It generally don't occur very frequently, but whenever it appears, there are high chances that market is going to move on a upside. Okay, there are high chances that market is going to move on a upside. Now there are few criteria for three river bottom pattern. The first criteria is there should be a prior downtrend. Okay, there should be a prior downtrend. Now the patterns what I am discussing, I will share you the software as well, and that is available free of cost. You can always filter the candlestick patterns there and you will be able to visualize it. So don't get tension about that how we will be getting that these patterns are there or not. Okay, so the three river bottom pattern will have a prior downtrend. There will be a big candle which will be a bearish one. It has a bearish structure. There will be a bearish structure which will be bearish one. Second candle is one of the most important candle, and this is a three candle pattern. So second candle is one of the important candle and it should be a hammer candle. This is the minimum criteria what I would say. You will see this pattern very frequently. Am I audible, administrator? Now my audio is clear to you. So second candle should be hammer pattern, and third candle body should in between the second candle body. It should be in between the second candle body. So this is a three river bottom pattern. Now coming to a trade, that how you will be doing trade in the case of three river bottom pattern. Very simple is it is. Buy above the high of this third candle, place a stop loss of the lowest low. This is again a reversal pattern and you will be able to visualize it. Again I am repeating it. This is not a kind of pattern which will appear frequently. Administrator, am I audible or not? Please confirm once. Okay, so how you will take a trade? Buy above the high of the third candle, place a stop loss. Now why I am using these patterns and I am sharing you these patterns? Because of the risk reward ratio. Whenever you will use these patterns, there will be a better risk reward. You will see the risk is very less here. So whenever there is a risk which is very less, then that is one of the best trade what you can do. Okay, so buy above the high of this third candle and place a stop loss of the lowest of the low. Generally it is the low of the second candle, which is a hammer candle. So criteria for this one is prior trend should be downtrend, first candle should be a bearish one, second candle should be a hammer candle, and third candle body should be, everything should be in between the body of the second candle. These are the criteria for three river bottom pattern. Okay, now coming to the topic